like more videos like this, please like and subscribe and check the links below for more info. Don't forget to check out our other videos on making money from home.
If you're always looking for ways to make some extra money on the side, you may have come across apps that pay you to do a variety of different things. These can be anything from downloading and using other apps, sharing information with friends, or completing surveys related to your shopping habits. While these tasks don't earn you a lot of money, they can be a great way to make some cash. Read on for more information about the different apps that pay you and how they work. There are many apps out there that pay users to complete certain tasks or give them rewards for using their services. These can include downloading other apps, sharing information with your friends, or completing surveys that are related to your shopping habits. While these tasks won't make you a lot of money, they can be a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. One popular app for earning money is Swagbucks, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. With this app, you can get paid for completing a variety of different tasks, such as completing surveys or watching videos. You can also earn money by shopping online through the app's shopping portal or referring friends to the service. If you prefer to get paid for using apps instead of completing tasks, AppTrailers is a great option. With this app, you can earn points for watching videos of different apps, which can then be redeemed for rewards like gift cards to popular retailers. If you're looking for something a little different, Checkpoints is another app that pays users for completing certain tasks. With this app, you can earn points by scanning certain items at the grocery store or checking out products in a store. You can then redeem your points for rewards, such as gift cards and special offers. TaskRabbit is an app that allows users to complete small tasks for money. These tasks can range from assembling furniture to grocery shopping. The app has a built-in payment system, which makes it easy for users to get paid for their work. If you want to find apps that pay, simply go to your app store and type in, "Get Paid To." This will reveal a list of options for earning money. You can get paid to walk, play games, watch videos, do surveys, talk, listen, post on social media, and more. Some apps will pay you to deliver food or drive people around. You can also make money by completing tasks for people through certain apps or even taking over their work shifts. Look for paid apps so that you can start earning extra money. Learn how to make a full-time income with some of these phone apps in the App Store. Several apps pay you to do things like delivering food. This can be a great way to make some extra money, especially if you're already doing the delivery work for your job or restaurant. Your payment will vary based on the app and the task, but these apps can be a super easy way to make some side money. Some of the best apps that pay you to do things include Postmates, DoorDash, and Uber Eats. With Postmates, for example, you simply sign up as a delivery driver and then choose which orders you want to fulfill. It's a great way to make some extra money on the side, especially if you're already working in the food service industry. You can choose when and where you deliver, so it doesn't take up too much of your free time. DoorDash is another popular app that pays its drivers to do tasks, such as delivering food. With DoorDash, you'll be given a set amount of time to get the food order to the customer's door, so it's important to plan and make sure that you can deliver within that time frame. You'll receive a notification when there is an order available in your area, and you simply sign up based on your location to accept the order. Finally, Uber Eats also pays people to do tasks such as delivering food. It is a bit different than the other apps in that it doesn't use its drivers but instead partners with local restaurants and delivery services. You'll be notified when there are orders available in your area, and you can choose to fulfill as many or as few as you'd like. It's a great way to make extra money on the side and can be a great option if you're already working in the food service industry. While these are some of the best apps that pay you to do tasks, there are many others out there as well. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, consider signing up for one of these apps today and start earning. To learn more about the best apps that pay you to do tasks, check out. There are several apps available that allow users to make money by driving people around. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, especially if you're already familiar with the area. There are some things you should know about driving for money, though. First, it's important to do your research and make sure that any apps or companies you work with are legitimate. Many of these services have been known to have poor customer support or other issues, so it's important to stay aware and be careful. Next, be sure to read the terms and conditions of any app or service you sign up for. This will help you understand exactly what is expected of you as a driver, including things like how much you'll be paid and what kind of mileage reimbursement or other benefits might be available. Of course, make sure that your car is in good condition before you start accepting any rides. You'll want to have up-to-date registration and insurance, as well as a clean appearance and working air conditioning or heating. Ultimately, if you're looking for an easy way to earn some extra money, driving people around can be a great option. Just make sure to do your research ahead of time and be sure to follow any rules or regulations that are in place. With a little bit of time and effort, you can start earning money by simply driving your car around town. In conclusion, there are several apps available that allow users to make money by driving people around. To get started with one of these services, it's important to do your research and make sure that they are legitimate. You should also read the terms and conditions of any apps or services that you sign up for, and be sure to maintain your car well to qualify. With a bit of time and effort, you can earn some extra money by driving people around town. Several apps can help you make some extra money by doing things like renting out your car or house. These include Airbnb, Turo, and HomeAway. If you're looking to make money with your car, Turo and GetAround are two popular options. Both allow you to list your car for rent when it's not in use so that someone else can rent it out and get a nice discount on their travel expenses. Similarly, if you have extra space at home and don't mind renting it out to other travelers, you can try services like Airbnb and HomeAway. These sites allow you to list your space for rent so that others can book short-term stays there when they're traveling. Doing simple tasks like taking surveys or watching videos can earn you a few extra bucks, but what if you could make money by simply renting out your parking space? With the emergence of new apps designed to do just that, it's now easier than ever to cash in on your spare parking spot. These apps provide a great way for busy people to monetize assets that would otherwise just be sitting idle. Whether you have limited free time or are traveling frequently, you'll be able to rent out your parking space quickly and easily with these apps. Here's a look at some of the best options currently available. Parking Panda lets users earn money by posting a parking space for rent on their app. Users can choose from a list of spaces in the area, then pay a fee to park there. The service takes a percentage of your earnings and handles all of the payment processing and customer support duties, so you don't have to worry about dealing with traffic or getting stuck without a spot when you return from your trip. Just Park makes it easy for users to earn money by renting out their parking spots. It handles all of the payment transactions and uses GPS tracking to ensure that space owners can easily locate renters. The app is available across Europe, the US, Canada, and Australia, providing plenty of opportunities for earning money with your unused parking spot. Canary Parking is a peer-to-peer parking app that helps users earn money by renting out their spaces. With the help of this app, you'll be able to find and rent available spaces in your neighborhood, making it easier than ever to maximize the value of your unused parking spots or garages.